Have you been looking for a single-story home here in Frontera, West Point? I found the perfect one for you. My name is Bella Flores, and I'm with the Harvest Real Estate Group. Take a look at this beautiful home. This beautiful home offers 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, complete with a flex game area. This gourmet kitchen with quartz countertops is perfect for entertaining. The owner's suite offers an electric fireplace for ambiance. The owner's bath has a full walk-in spa shower with dual vanities and lots of natural light. Enjoy the backyard retreat with well-appointed patio decking for outdoor living. This home offers additional features such as architectural designs throughout, underground sprinkler system, water softener, and a tankless water heater. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful home today. If you would like to schedule your tour, contact me at 210-882-2277. Have a great day.